The key fob not detected error in your 2016 RAM 1500 typically stems from issues with the RFHUB module, which manages your keyless entry and ignition. Start by replacing the key fob battery with a fresh CR2032. Low battery voltage is a common culprit. If that doesn't work, try a WinRFHUB reset. Turn the ignition to on position without starting the engine. Wait 5 seconds, turn it off, and repeat this cycle 3 to 5 times before attempting to start the engine. A software update via Stellantis app-based diagnostics may also help, allowing wireless checks and resets without a dealer visit. Remember, a full hardware replacement may still be necessary. Stellantis technical service bulletins provide the most up-to-date details. If battery replacement and reset don't resolve the key fob issue, the fob may need relearning with the RFHUB. For advanced relearn with multiple fobs, or if basic method fails, use an FCA-compatible scan tool to program the fobs. If problems persist, consider electromagnetic interference or replace RFHUB with aftermarket unit for enhanced EMI shielding. Based on experts, battery swaps and resets solve 70 to 80% of issues, but RFHUB replacement may be needed in 20% of cases. Professional scan can identify error codes like C1A01.